So, ito guys, mag-unboxing ko. Sabayan niyo ako mag-unboxing, okay? Hi guys, how are you doing? So, this time I'm going to do unboxing. Mag-unbox ako guys. Okay? And we're going to have a look what is inside. You have to guess. Anyway. I will do this one first, the plastic. Ta-na-na-na-na. So that's the one. You can see. First, that's our shoes. The shoes is so nice too. There is it's special for christening because there is a cross. See how beautiful it is. That's the shoes, we did that one. And this is a pair too. Look this. And there is a hat too. That is so beautiful guys. Separate. It's two piece the shop, but two separate piece. So that's pants. It's so cute. And this is look. You can see this one, yes. So this is not separate, so it's separate too. It's so cute. Look this. Look. So it's so cool. Look this one. So that's the back. And that's the front one. So that's beautiful with the hats. So the shoes, I bought this separate. So it's $14. And this one is I bought for $58. But I have a discount because I put it together and I order it in one. With this one and this one, so I only buy something. So yeah, it's worth it. It's so worthy. So this is the one, no, the staying costume. So and now we go to open this one. I'm gonna open this. So that's the secret. I show you. cool. They're so much tight, so just cut it. I don't have patience. So I ordered this online, the same thing, because we haven't got any time. Unboxing today. I hope you guys enjoy watching, and I hope you like how beautiful it is. The christening candle. So beautiful. And it's so cool. Yeah. And I'll leave it that way. And I hope you guys enjoy watching, and thank you.